What if I told you the habits you build right now are quietly shaping your entire future? Most teenagers go through this phase. Low focus, no clear direction, constant distractions. You pick up your phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly an hour is gone. You plan to study, but you just don't feel like it. And it feels normal because everyone around you is living the same way. But here's the part most people don't realize. This phase of your life is powerful and risky at the same time. Your brain is still developing. The way you think, the way you react, the habits you repeat, they're getting wired into your system. So if your daily routine is full of distractions, your brain starts getting used to easy rewards. Endless scrolling, quick entertainment, instant pleasure. And over time, something dangerous happens. Real work starts to feel boring. Focus becomes harder. Discipline feels uncomfortable. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain has been trained that way. Another big mistake? Waiting to feel motivated. Here's the truth. Motivation is unreliable. Some days it's there, most days it's not. If you only act when you feel like it, you'll stay stuck in the same place for years. The people who actually grow, they build discipline. They show up even when they don't feel ready. They do the work, especially on the days it feels hard. Now here's what you should do instead. Don't try to change everything at once. That's where most people fail. Start small, but stay consistent. Focus on 3 core areas: your mind, your body, and one useful skill. Train your mind by studying daily, even if it's just 1 focused hour. No distractions, no phone. Take care of your body. Move, exercise, play a sport, anything that keeps you active. Because a strong body supports a strong mind. And build a skill, something real, something useful. It could be communication, video editing, writing, anything that adds value. Also, control your environment, because willpower alone is not enough. If your phone is next to you, you'll use it. So keep it away when you're working. Make it harder to get distracted, and start thinking long-term. Ask yourself one simple question. Will this help me 3 years from now? If the answer is no, then limit it, because small daily choices turn into big results over time. And remember this, there is no neutral here. You're either building your future or slowly damaging it without realizing. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Start small, stay disciplined, and your future self will thank you for it. If this made you think, drop a like, share it with a friend who needs this, and follow for more real, practical advice.